Well, hi folks, just a little short video, something a little bit different for the channel. Harley has got a month's learner driver insurance on this classic MGB GT that belongs to his granddad. Big thanks to Grandad for sorting out the insurance on his prized little MG just behind us there. What a great opportunity to learn how to drive a classic car as well as the modern VW Fox, which he's also got. But what a great chance to spend a few hours driving this, well, 50-odd-year-old MGB now. A very, very different driving experience compared to the VW Fox, which is from 2010. But yeah, learning to drive in a classic MGB GT. Let's go for a spin with Harley behind the wheel, and you certainly don't see that all that often. Let me know in the comments what old car you learnt to drive in. I learnt in the Mark 1 Mini Estate, followed by the trusty Austin A40, which is still here with us at OCC HQ. This is Harley's first classic car drive out on the public roads, so that's something he'll never forget. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you first learnt to drive in. And now we're going to head off in the MGB and enjoy a bit of the sunshine.
Great day for it.
It is indeed behind the wheel of this 50-plus-year-old MGB GT chrome bumper car in Harvest Gold. No clip remote unlocking on these. I think it's the other way. I think it's that one. That's it.
Yeah,
that's the one. That's the one.
There's three almost identical keys.
Yes.
Never mind, and I think you just taught me how to lock it.
Did they? Yeah.
Yeah, that one, isn't it?
Yeah, fair enough.
Stop sabotaging me. Now it's actually going to be harder to drive this now that I've literally just driven the Fox 2 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Because you have to adjust a lot, obviously.
Yeah. I mean, this is.
I'll do my best.
Yeah.
Because I have been okay driving this,
but
I've never driven it straight after the Fox.
Yeah, it's a very different kettle of fish compared to a modernish car. 5-speed box in the Fox, 4 in this. Manual choke as well. So it'd be very alien to most new motorists. So just let it warm up a little bit. Yeah, manual choke, 4-speed box manual as well. So it's a different sort of gear change, different driving position, much lower in this.
Reverse is really hard.
Yes. So you've got the L plate. Yeah. And you've got the one on the back as well.
Get in then.
Right.
Get in then.
Okay. Yep. So indicators are on the other side as well. So they're over there. Whereas on the Fox they're over here, and they sort of randomly self-cancel, don't they? I think.
Well, I think they do technically.
Yeah.
The throttle is extremely sensitive on this one.
Yeah.
Which is very different to the Fox. The brake is very not sensitive on this one, which is different to the Fox.
Hill start. Down here because it's quite narrow.
I've been down here on bikes often, so I know where I'm going.
Yeah. Just have to watch out for people who aren't as cautious as we are.
Yeah, so what I'm doing is I've just backed off, I'm carrying the speed and I've just got my foot over the brake.
Yeah, okay.
And then I'll only get back on the accelerator once I know it's clear. Yeah. So that I don't have to come off the accelerator and then back on the brake.
So how else does this differ then compared to the Fox, the engine?
I mean, everything's completely different. It's 100 brake horsepower 4-cylinder in this.
Yeah.
So it's almost
poke than
Oh,
the
definitely, yeah, it's
Fox.
so quicker. Maybe also just because the throttle pedal is so much more sensitive. Gears, I've done it a lot slower in this. Pretty much, for the good of the car, have to rev match a little bit. This will be old like this.
Yeah.
You have to change down before you get. It's a torquey engine, the B series. But you still want to change down like that before you get to.
It's a narrow little bridge here, isn't it?
Yeah, so I'm taking a wide line, so other people can see me. I can see them earlier.
They'll probably hear you coming as well.
Yes. Yes, it is quite a bit louder there. Grandad taught me not to grab the gear lever, but to only sort of hold it on the side that I'm pushing on, to allow the sort of synchro to do its thing and not force it. You don't want to force anything.
Yeah, you have to do everything a little bit slower.
Feels very fast. Obviously, we're not going fast at the moment because it's pretty much a single track road, but it's very, very nice to drive. Feels a lot quicker. I'm so much lower than in the Fox. I guess we're going right here, right around the hairpin.
Yeah, right at the bottom.
Yeah, it's a very sharp right. Up next. No one around, but still indicate, of course.
Yeah.
Good citizen. Don't want to cut the corner as well. So, still alright.
Yeah, that's it.
Fiddly corner in an old car.
It is.
Probably could have taken a better line for it though. I know there's bumps here, so you can't.
Yeah, it's not the best of roads, is it?
We'll get on some better roads in a bit. Never mind, I thought I was in third.
There we go.
Nearly went for the wrong gear. Yeah, I love driving this thing. It's so nice. Just not on roads like this.
It's a little bit bumpy.
Guess we're going right up here because it would be
Yeah.
too bumpy going left. Put that on an MGB and L plates.
How long have you been driving now?
1 week.
1 week today.
1 week and what was it, 170 miles in